All right, so as promised from our last video, if you joined me in the last video, I told you that I was going to show you how we can go and analyze different channels and come up with some really good topics. I'm going to do this impromptu. It's unscripted. We're live. I don't know what kind of research that I'm going to find, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can go and reverse engineer any niche. And in this case, we'll go with the make money online niche or the affiliate marketing niche. So right up here, before we do that, let me show you my online school community called Six Figure Freedom Club, where I teach you all the ins and outs of running a faceless YouTube channel. You can get started for just $27 a month right here. We have 80 members. I'd love to see you come and join. You can scroll down on this page, just click the link below, and you'll be able to see all the different things that we have right over here. We've got a live Zoom call coming up this Friday, and I do one coaching session and Zoom community call per week. So that's 4 per month. And I have a bunch of classes set up in there and so forth. So if you want to learn how a six-figure affiliate does it, how a full-time YouTuber does it, and does it all with Faceless YouTube channels, then go check that out. So what we're going to want to do, guys, is come up here and just go into the search box on YouTube and type in your niche. If this is woodworking, type in woodworking, right? If this is yoga, type in yoga. But right over here, what we're going to do is make money online. And you can see what's popular today. We've got with AI. So this is a pretty popular one, make money online with AI. So let's go with that one. Let's see what's going on in the market space right now. So what you can do is you can actually come over here and we can start opening up some of these, not the actual YouTube video, but I'm actually want to go and look at the different channels. And I'll show you what we're going to do with that in a minute. So we'll go over here. We have another 100,000 views 5 days ago. So this person definitely has a massive audience. So we'll go and we'll open that up in a new tab as well. And then we'll just come over here. Franklin Hatchett is dominating for this. We'll go with Dave Nick right over here. So we'll go and open that one up. And then we'll maybe go with another one right over here. So nope, that's 1 hour ago. We'll have to come back and we'll just see if we can find one more. Smart money tactics, and maybe like let's just go with this one right over here. All right. So now what we want to do is we have all those gathered right over here. Okay. So what we're going to want to do is go into each one of these. And this one, this Charlie Chang, he has 1.2 million subscribers, 800 videos. But I do want to see what kind of videos he's creating. Look like he was doing pranks and different things like that. And now look at this, asking supercar owners what they do for work. But then we have how to build free. Okay, so this will work. So what we'll do is I just pick not just from popular, but from the latest. I want to see what they've done. And let's just go for the last. So I'll actually scroll over here and go like this. And we're going to use the power of AI to analyze all this, right? So we're going to go back and we'll just go back to like maybe 7 months ago right here. And then I'll copy this. So that's really not too many videos. That's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That's about 30 or 40 videos of his. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Claude, this tool right over here, and we're going to start pasting, right? So right over here, I'm going to paste this in. And then what we're going to do, and actually when it doesn't paste as a card because we didn't get enough data, what we're going to do is I'll just go and open up a notepad or a Word document. So we'll go over here and we'll open up a Word document. We'll paste that in. So we pasted that in, we'll push return, we'll come back over and we'll go back so we did that one. Let's go to Dave Nick and we'll come over here. We'll do the same thing. We just want to go with videos and the latest videos. And then we'll start over here and we'll left click and we'll start scrolling. And I'm just going to grab his videos. He publishes a lot more frequently. And I'm just going to go grab his all the way to about right here, 3 months ago. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back into Word and then I'm going to paste that in as well. Now you can right click and just paste special, and you could just paste the unformatted text if you wanted to. Should be a lot quicker. So there you go. It's going to paste a lot faster for us. And then I'm going to push return and we'll just go back and repeat the process one more time. And I'll show you exactly why we're doing all this, because this is going to really set you apart from anybody else that doesn't know how to do this. This is also going to help us to analyze these channels. I'm going to show you how we're going to do this very quickly. So I'm gonna scroll down here. This person doesn't post as much, so we'll just go into the last year right there. We'll copy that and we'll come back into Word, and then we'll right click and we'll paste special. We'll paste just the unformatted text. And then we have one more channel to do this for. So we'll come back over here and we'll go to Frank.
In this free ClickFunnels course, I'm going to show you exactly.
We'll go into videos right over here. This guy has almost 600,000 subscribers. This guy's probably a millionaire, especially since it's in the make money online space. And then we'll go like this and we'll let it load real quick. And as you can see, I'm doing this unscripted. I didn't know what channels I was going to choose. I'm just showing you how easy this actually is and that nobody's doing this. Nobody's teaching how to do this. With a little bit of simple prompting, we'll be able to do some really cool stuff. So we're just going to grab some of these like that as well. Copy, come back over here, right click, paste special, and unformatted text. Boom. So we have a bunch of data right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to left click inside the Word document, Control A to, basically highlight everything, and then Control C to copy the entire thing. And then we're going to go into our Claude tool right over here. And then just watch. So I can remove everything. And now watch when I paste, it's going to paste it as a big giant card, right? With 1,300, almost 1,400 lines. This is a knowledge base that we just created. There's a crap load of data in here, a lot of views. We have all the titles. We have the, when it was published, when the video was published and so forth. I don't really care too much about the channel that it was on or who the creator was. We're interested in what topics actually were popular and got the most views. So now we're going to, I've done this so many times. I've had all kinds of different prompts. I should save my prompt this time, but let's do this together, right? So I need you to, let's just say you are a YouTube expert. I need you to take the attached data and analyze it for me, or spreadsheet and create. We'll change this part in a minute, but let's just say create 4 columns. Column 1 is video category. In this column, please create 4 to 6 main topic categories. And all right, so we're going to try this one out right here. We just need 2 columns right now because we just want to do some main topic research, and maybe we actually want to do maybe like 4 to 10, give the software a little bit more freedom to create different topics, because e-commerce could be one, AI could be another, there's all kinds of different topics in here. So I'm going to go ahead and just see what this is going to do for us. We'll push enter, and then we'll let Claude go and think and analyze this content for us and see what it comes up with for us. You can see right there, you can pause the video and see what my prompt so far is. Certainly, I can analyze the data, create a table with categories and total views based on the video titles we're generating and so forth. So now look, it did exactly what we wanted it to do. So I've created 8 main topics right here. Make money online, side hustles. This category includes videos about various online money making methods, passive income strategies, and then we have an affiliate marketing and drop shipping. We have AI technology. We have personal finance, business entrepreneurship, lifestyle, career, web development. Okay. So now it's right over here. Now we can say, great, rank from highest views to lowest. So now look what it'll do. It'll take this and it'll rank it for us. And there you go. So now it's going to, obviously the make money online side hustles is the biggest niche, getting the most. 6.5 million views is going on with that. It's all broken out. Affiliate marketing is 1 million, AI technology is 1 million, lifestyle and travel. So like this gives us so much data into all these channels that are getting a ton, like hundreds of thousands of views. We know that they also do lifestyle and travel. We know that they talk about personal finance and business and entrepreneurship. These are not the big views. They're not coming from these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories, right? The big categories that accounted for over 1 million views with these is AI and technology, affiliate marketing, and make money online side hustles. So now what we can do, guys, is we can say, make money online. Can you break out make money online side hustles into 10 subcategories and follow the same process. And then we'll push enter. So now we're just asking the right questions. We're having a conversation. This is how you use AI to help analyze data. And now we're going to pick apart that very first category, right? The very first category. And now we have AI powered side hustles, right? That's huge. That's the biggest category, AI powered side hustles. Online freelancing and gig economy, YouTube content creation, passive income strategies, e-commerce, print on demand, that's big as well, and so forth, right? So we can look at this and see that social media monetization and digital products creation, those and website app monetization, cryptocurrency, those are not getting the most views. If we want to dive into a niche market that is a subcategory of all these topics, then we can go in and we can actually look at this data right over here. So we know that we have these three right here. Like maybe we want to go in passive income strategies right there. Getting into e-commerce, that's getting really specific. And I would recommend if you want to create a Faceless YouTube channel on e-commerce, print on demand, then you would apply what I'm going to do next to one of these main categories. We know they're getting a lot of views, and you would just apply it to specifically the e-commerce space. But I'm going to take these four right over here. Actually, let's do that for now. You can take one at a time, or you can take all of these at a time, right? I'm going to copy those, and now I'm going to say, now take all the videos and their titles from these categories, these subcategories, paste that right there, and take into consideration the highest viewed topics and videos. Now create for me my next 10 YouTube titles based on this specific. Make each title 70 characters or less. You can put emojis if you want. I'm going to say no emojis. All right, so there is my prompt right there. You can pause the video, read it. I'm going to go ahead and push enter. And then now we're going to see it's going to take these categories in mind, this 1, 2, 3, about 3, almost 4 million views videos, right? And it's going to create for us based on real-time data of what performed the best. And what it's doing is these titles are crafted based on the most popular subcategories and topics we identified earlier. Here's a breakdown of the strategy behind each title. 1 to 2, 4, 7, and 10. These titles focused on AI powered side hustles. That's, I wish they would keep the chart so we can kind of look at the data, but we can't do that. I think we can click on this to open the document. That's not opening for me. For whatever reason, that part's not opening for me. But you can see AI powered side hustles, and you can see we have emotional triggers, shocking, insane, exposed, specific numbers for credibility, urgency, promises of ease, right there, curiosity gaps. Here's how, revealed all caps words for emphasis right there. And you can see that exploded is in all caps right there. So these titles are designed to stand out in a crowded feed, trigger curiosity, and promise valuable information or life-changing opportunities, which should help maximize views based on the trends we've observed in the data. So it's literally taking real-time analytics and data that we gathered from 4 YouTube channels. We went in here and we spent the time, and then now we've built this tool over here that now we have these amazing titles right over here. Shocking, this AI side hustle made $10,000 in 7 days, no skills, quit your job, 5 insane AI tools that pay $200 an hour. And all you have to do is just take these and go out and do some research, right? Go watch some of these videos, put together a nice list of tools that could make someone $200 an hour that are AI based. Go out there and make these roundup videos. The $1,000 a day freelance secret nobody tells you about. I tried 10 AI side hustles and this one exploded my bank account. YouTube hack, how I got 100K subs in 30 days, step by step. Obviously, you're not going to be able to make a video like this because you haven't gotten 100K subs in 30 days. So, but you can use this as an idea generator change this out, how you got 1,000 subs in 30 days. It's still very useful information to people. It may not be 100,000 subs, but it's still a real number and a great title. The Lazy Person's Guide to 5K a month passive strategy income right there. Urgent, this AI writing job. So you can go out here. I built a 6-figure YouTube channel with no face. Here's a perfect one for Faceless. The 15-minute trick that earns 1,000 a month. So we could take these right here and we could go and, copy them, put them in our notepad if we wanted to. So I'm just going to put them down here because those are really good, because I think that once we prompt this some more, this is going to go away. And for some reason, when I click on these, okay. So I was clicking on the wrong one. Yeah. So that's when the chart comes up. Okay. So then now what we can do is we can say, now give me 10 more that focus on Faceless YouTube, no quotes. Now it's going to go out here and it's going to create. So now we have all the data that we need. We've basically created a tool for ourselves based on real world data. And there's people building software tools that do this exact same thing, and they're actually selling it, right? And I'm teaching you exactly how to do this yourself, which is super, super cool. So now check this out. We can come in here. I made 50K on YouTube without showing my face. Secret Faceless YouTube niche that made me rich overnight. 5 AI tools for Faceless. Boom. Look at these are great ideas. I can go and copy these, and I'm actually going to go and put these in right over here. This is where I keep all my ideas for YouTube channels or for YouTube titles right there. I may as well go and get the Word document ones as well, which these are pretty cool. I don't know if I would put these on this channel because this is all about Faceless, but I'm going to just paste them just for fun right over here. So that is a laser focused, amazing data driven, only focused on the videos that are getting the most views and the most success. And now we have all these amazing titles being created. And I strategize and I recommend focusing on both these viral type videos, titles, and then also research-based, real-world keyword search-based that is based on Answer the Public or a keyword tool, or just going to YouTube and finding keywords that are in the search bar and doing a mix of those and keeping track of your views and so forth and seeing what works for your channel. Do search-based keywords that are real people typing this stuff in. Does that get you more views? Or do these take off and get you more views as well? So hopefully this is a long tutorial. This is the kind of value that you're going to get on this channel. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications so you can join me and get all this data based on me making over $400,000 with a Faceless YouTube channel. Also, if you want to go sign up to my school community, it's just $27. The link will be below. I'll see you in the next video.